Hey y'all, this is another episode of Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. This is Field Agent 420, and what we are staring at today is something I pulled out of an attic yesterday afternoon. This is what we believe to be a late 30s to early 40s full-size midget racer. This thing is new old stock, meaning it was ordered and nobody ever assembled it. Nothing's ever been mounted to it. This is what you would have got when there were a couple different companies building them back then. From what I've read with the war efforts, when they stopped building planes, they started building these to kind of keep the guys busy and make some money. But let's do a quick walk around of this thing. It's an all aluminum body with a steel chassis. Like I said, completely untouched. Like when you ordered one, this is what was coming to you. You can check out, see I'm 6'7", so I don't exactly quite fit in this thing. You'd have to be a much smaller guy to be able to race this thing, but no gauges have ever been mounted, no steering components, nothing. It's awfully rare to find them in this shape, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick walk around of everything involved and how cool this thing is. The hood flips open from here. A lot of the guys were running the flathead 60s in there, and so these two panels are removable to actually get the clearance to make that work. But just really cool to kind of see how this thing was. And there we have it. Y'all enjoy.